Imtiaz Tajani. I was having problem for a blur vision, and I know Mr. Paresh Vaidya since last 15 years in Surat. He is very well experienced doctor. So I visited him. He investigated, and he recommended me that I have to go for cataract surgery for both the eyes. So according to him, we have planned my surgery, and surgery procedure was very smooth. Staff is very well cooperative. Overall experience of surgery is excellent. Now I have no problems in my both the eyes. I recommend everyone to go for CFS without hesitation.
Follow Center for Sight and post your queries to get answers from the experts.